Hi, this is Joshua Erazo from Vita Utility.
And I'm Margarita Erazo.
We're inviting you to October 20th and the 21st at the Los Angeles Convention Center, inviting you for this free seminar to take advantage. It's titled, Make Your Business a Lead Generation Machine.
Yes, this seminar titled Make Your Business a Lead Generation Machine, it's the blueprint that has helped our clients become million-dollar companies in their industry.
Take advantage of this free seminar, October 20th and the 21st at the Los Angeles Convention Center at 9:30 a.m. and we hope to see you there. Also, visit our booth, number 527. The information will be right down on the description.